Hello beautiful friends, we are going to jump right into this look and this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use just a couple of products to get that beautiful glow from within, gorgeous, bright skin. So easy, so simple. If I can do this, you guys can do this. And we're just going to be using two tools, a makeup sponge and your fingers are going to be the other tool. So super duper easy. Okay, so make sure that your face is clean, that you have a good moisturizer on. And then the star of the show is going to be Kara Gets Glowing, or Kara Gets Glowing. She is available in this gorgeous pearl color that kind of has a pink undertone, and then she is available in a gorgeous gold tone called Champagne. We're going to be using pearl today, but either one works. So I'm going to take this product and I am going to put her, just kind of a little bit of her on my 3 fingers. You could just do a pea size as well. I'm going to put her on my fingertips and working from the inside of my face out, I am just going to place her all over my face. Just kind of pressing in and making sure that I cover my entire face. Sorry if you can hear some background noise. They are doing some yard work in my neighborhood. Okay, then the next step is you're going to take a damp blender foam. Make sure it's damp. It makes a huge difference. If it is damp, it will apply very differently. You're going to go into your foundation. And you are just going to start pressing and kind of bouncing that foundation right on top of that highlighter. Anywhere that you need more coverage, you can just go in with a little more. I'm having a little more texture, a little breakout there. Okay, and then you're gonna wanna make sure you take your foundation and bring it down your neck and then back up. Just pouncing into the skin everywhere. Okay. Then the last step is you're going to turn your sponge this way. You're going to place a little more of the highlight, just the smallest little bit on the back of your hand. And then using a clean part of the sponge, you're going to dip into the highlighter. And you are going to just place it on top of that cheekbone. You can put it a little bit above the arch of your brow. So on my nose, and then my favorite place to place it is right here on my Cupid's bow. So you can see how easy that is. 2 steps and you're done. I'm gonna set everything with a dewy setting spray. On a day when I don't have a lot of time, I would just go ahead and add my Maggie mascara, and then I would add a little bit of a lip color. That is it. But on a day I have a little more time, I may add some more bronzer and stuff, but that's just going to give you that gorgeous dewy look to your skin. So again, super easy, just using this Kara Gets Glowing highlighter in this gorgeous pearl finish, a little more pinky, or this gold champagne finish. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please message me if you have any questions. All products will be linked below, and I'll see you soon. Bye, y'all.